How's it going, everybody? This is Aaron Forex Scott shooting this video because I wanted to share with you some of the results. Today is Friday. I believe today is Friday. Hopefully you had a wonderful week in the markets. Hopefully you had a wonderful week overall. But I wanted to share this video with you to show you some of the results that we're getting. Yesterday I took a trade on gold. As you can see, I'm looking at it on my screen right now. I took a trade on gold based off of the markups that I did on TradingView. I'm going to pull some of that up shortly. But we also have our PET system, our perfect entry trading system, for extra confirmations. That way, once we understand where the market is going, we can find perfect entries and exits in the market. And as you can see right now, this trade is live. Now, I do want to say a disclaimer, put a disclaimer out there that when you're trading Forex or anything in life, nothing is 100% guaranteed. Therefore, there is a risk involved. So you're not supposed to invest money that you're not willing to lose. But our goal is to teach you how to manifest and to allow your money to make money for you. Therefore, you can enjoy the time that you want, doing the things that you want with the people that you want, your friends, your families, or people that you come across on a day-to-day basis. But right now, we're up over 350 pips on gold. I'm going to go ahead and move my stop loss. I'm going to capture as much as possible on this move. I'm expecting it to come back up. Gold has been skyrocketing for the past couple of weeks now. It's at all-time highs. I actually caught the retracement a few days ago, and I caught another retracement today. This is a 350 pip retracement, but I'm expecting gold to continue to go higher. So I went ahead and put a buy stop just in case it does close me out. It puts me into the buy, and I can go ahead and ride it back onto the previous high. But with the system alone, what we have here, notice that these candles are red. When the candles are red, we're in seller's territory. It's under our money line. I know it seems like a lot, and I don't want you to get confused because it is not this hard. We teach people how to break down the markets based off of the fundamentals, the technical analysis, and price action. Market structure is very, very important. All of these signals that you see on the screen, the indicators that we have, the large assumption of indicators that we have is not to take you away from the true goal of learning how to trade based off of price action, market structure, trend analysis, your fundamentals, things like that. But what we have in the system can help you enhance and confirm what you're already looking for. So if we're looking for a sell based off of what we saw marking up the charts on gold, and then I pull up the perfect entry trading system, I will look for sell opportunities based off of the signals that the system is going to give me. Therefore, I get myself in perfect entries. Look at this entry. I found this entry as it was pulling up here. We had an impulsive move out of a flag. We had a flag pattern created here. As soon as I get this out the way, this is a flag pattern that was being created. We had an impulsive move outside of the flag pattern. Then we had another flag pattern, then we had another impulsive move. So once I saw this impulsive move out of this flag pattern and I noticed that it was pulling up, I went ahead and put a trend line from the previous low to these lows. And then I noticed that as market continued to go up, it went ahead and broke structure again. So I went ahead and got in the sell based off of this pullback. And once this pullback happened, I went ahead and put my sell stop in. It activated my order, put me directly into profit. It did scare me just a little bit, but eventually it never went back into structure. It never went back above the previous high. So we're still in seller's territory. Notice the candles are still red. Candles are still under our money line. And we went further and further into profit. We're actually still in profit as we speak, over 350 pips in profit. So hopefully, you had a wonderful week. Look out for gold. Gold may continue to go to its higher highs and create ultimate highs as the weeks move forward. Hopefully you guys have a wonderful, wonderful weekend. If you're not a part of our platform, if you're not a part of our Winning Circle group, then I suggest you get in contact with me and anybody that's inside of the group, because not only will you get access to an amazing platform in Tradera, not only will you get access to the education in Tradera that is helping thousands and thousands of people finally learn how to trade like the banks. Not only will you get access to that, but you will also get access to our paid to live Winner Circle group. We have our own team live trading sessions. We get training every single day. We do live trade sessions every single day. We teach 5 key strategies so that you become the signal. You focus on the strategies given, and these strategies are giving out over 1,000 pips a week, and that is no exaggeration. I believe on a Wednesday we caught 750 pips off of one strategy alone. These are multiple six-figure traders that's inside of the group, including myself, that is going to mentor you, help you learn the strategies that you need. Therefore, you can get the results that you deserve. So if you're trying to figure out what Forex is, if you want to get started on the right foot, get in contact with me. If you have been struggling, I know quite a few out there that have been trying to trade Forex, have not been getting the consistent results that you deserve. So if you're struggling, reach out to me. That way I can show you what we have. I can plug you in. Therefore, I can get you to the level to where you can get that consistency that you need, therefore getting the results that you deserve. Hopefully, you guys have a wonderful, wonderful weekend. Hopefully, you have a wonderful rest of the summer. I know right now we're going through a pandemic, a world pandemic, something that we've never seen before. It's also a wealth reset. Hopefully, you end up on the grass is greener on the other side of the reset once the smoke clears, because millionaires are being created at this given time. Hopefully, you can become one of them. I see you in the next video.